Hi everyone, welcome back to Pam's Wig Adventure. It's now time for the outfit of the week, or outfit of the day, and wig of the day preview of what I plan to wear for this week coming up. March 28th, the week of March 28th, 2022. So if you're new to my channel, then what I like to do is I like to show what I'm going to wear for the week as far as my outfits, and then what wigs I've matched with them. And then during the week, I film the sort of like a mini review and then an install of each wig with the outfit. I show pictures of me with the wig with the outfit so you see the full look. And then I do an end of the day review afterwards to explain how the wig wore for the day and if, any issues I came across or things like that. So I have this blue top with this is a super long skirt. And of course I will find something to wear behind it. See if you can see this black and white top with, it's a short black skirt. And then I have this gray, really long tunic. I'm gonna wear that with my red tights with gray knee-high boots. I have this sweater. Not 100% sure whether or not it's gonna go right with these pants. I love crazy color patterns, everything like that, in case you haven't picked up on that. But it matches all the colors in the pants, so we'll see. Then I have this really pretty sweater. It's kind of hard to see. It's really pretty. I'm just gonna wear that with a pair of navy blue slacks. And then I have this navy blue and white blouse with just a pair of purple slacks. Okay, so those are all of my crazy colors for the week. Not too bad. Okay, and then if we come over here, now we see what I'm going to wear as far as wigs. So it seems what I did was I kind of went into my other room because I have been picking mostly from my bedroom. And I've got a lot of wigs over there that I haven't even touched that are, they're older. They're not the newer ones, but they're brand new because I've never worn them yet. So it seems to be that we kind of just picked things and kind of ended up with a Little Wig Museum from Etsy and a PHenry Margu wig. So the top one is from the Little Wig Museum off of Etsy. It's a brown blonde with bangs and it's sort of shoulder length, so it's real pretty. Sort of has like an ombre. Let me see if I get in close, if you can kind of see. It's cute. And then I have PHenry Margu's Isabelle. Thought that would look really pretty with the black and white blouse and the black skirt. It's a more sophisticated, it's a bob. Isabelle is a bob. Obviously in black, because I love every color. And then this next one, this blonde, if you could see, holy Toledo Batman. Don't know if I'm going to be able to wear it, but we're going to try her on. And I always have a couple wigs on the side for backups. Again, this is another one from Little Wig Museum, a super light blonde with some bangs. And then up here, gosh, I don't know where I'm picking these blonde colors, but I've got PHenry Margu's Felicia and 614H. And then I have over here, I have Sparkle. I have from Heart of Gold, but I bought it off Paula Young or wig.com, so not quite sure, but that's in 10, medium ash brown, some Whisper Light and mono top. And then I have here Kitty's Ambrose in Indigo Swirl Rooted. And then as a backup, I have Rowan in Butter Toasted. So these other ones on the bottom are just where I store. So those are the wigs for the week and the outfits for the week. So stay tuned on Pam's Adventure for the week of March 28th. Thanks for stopping by, and I will see you in the next video.